Electroplating is a process in which a material is coated with another material, usually metal, to increase its usefulness. Join us as we delve into the details of electroplating and observe an experiment as a stainless steel key is coated with copper. Watch as electrons are transferred through the blue solution and stick to the stainless steel key, successfully completing the electroplating process. First, what is electroplating? Well, as shown in the picture, copper electroplating is putting copper in a target metal in a copper solution. The target metal is hooked up to a negative charge, and the copper is hooked up to a positive charge. Electrons are transferred from the copper to the target metal, which starts attracting positive copper ions in the solution. This copper starts sticking to the target metal and the end completely coats it. Now for some history. In 1805, Italian chemist Luigi Brugnatelli performed the first electroplating process by coating silver with a thin layer of gold. In 1839, British and Russian scientists independently devised a similar process designed for printing press plates. In the 1850s, electroplating expanded to include nickel, brass, tin, and zinc, and commercial application started gaining popularity. Now let's go to the experiment. Start off by pouring some copper 2 sulfate into a beaker. Now set up the rig by connecting the copper to the negative charge and the key to the positive charge. Now some kind of effects just take place. The copper, as you can see, is starting to lose its color, and there's some chunks floating around. Here you can clearly see the chunks just floating around the solution, and if you look closely on the left side of the beaker, you can actually see some swirls in the solution. Here is taking out the key. As you can see, the key has clearly been coated by copper, and the solution is no longer blue, but now a sort of green. The copper has lost a lot of color now. You can see stripes all over it, where some of the copper has been taken off. Now for a recap. Today we explored the details of electroplating, starting with some basics on how it works. Then we went into a brief history of electroplating and how it evolved. Finally, we went to the actual experiment. Electroplating continues to be popular today, from coating bathtubs to creating jewelry props. It has come far from just plating the plates of a printing press and will continue to evolve as time goes on.